Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install iOS 16 on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So firstly, let me tell you that if your device is ported to the iOS 16, then I'll show you how can you download it. So the devices are iPhone 8 to iPhone 12 to support this feature. If you have iPhone 7, iPhone 5, iPhone 4, then you don't be able to download this feature. So let me show you here. I have already downloaded this one. So how can you download it? Just simply make sure that you have enough storage in your phone. So for that you have to open iPhone storage, and from here you have to make sure that your storage is above 50%. And as you can see guys, my storage is above 50%. And after that what you need to do is just simply go back from here, and after that make sure that your battery is above 50%. So you have to make sure that your battery is about 50%. And after that what you need to do is just simply close this page, and firstly you have to restart your device. I mean, you have to refresh it, and then what you need to do is just simply download it on Wi-Fi or strong internet. If you have strong internet package, then you will be able to download this one. And if you don't have, then you have to connect with Wi-Fi, and make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is very strong. If your Wi-Fi connection is very strong and you have enough storage in your iPhone and you have 50% battery, then you will be able to download it. And if you want to download it, open settings, tap on channel, tap on software update, tap on automatic update, and from here what you need to do is just simply turn the toggle on for download iOS updates. So you have to turn it on. When you turn this on, after that automatically a new software update will be downloaded on your iPhone. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.